I'm Don Vasily, the founder of Everything Punta Cana. And today we are going to talk about medical insurance. If you stay here for long term, you should have medical insurance. I would say you must have medical insurance. Otherwise, it's going to be total disaster. Your medical bills can, rise to the sky. You think I'm making this up? Well, give it a try. You can attend any kind of local clinic without insurance. You'll get it right away. What it costs, how expensive it is. So it's not a good idea to live here without the medical insurance. And of course, if you're traveling for a short term, check the websites, check everything to have medical insurance. Right now I'm working on it, and I will do my best pretty soon so you guys have an access to have a short-term vacational medical insurance. I'm Don Vasily. Subscribe to our channel, thumbs up guys, and I hope to see you soon in Punta Cana.